Today I'm in a field by the bike track. Yeah, that's right, I'm out here and it's pissing down with rain. Yeah, look at the sky, fucking awful. Well, why am I out here? Well, the thing is, well, just over 3 hours ago I ate a really hot curry, then had some pop, quite a lot of it, fizzy pop. Then ate some really strong mints and other strong stuff combined, and right now I feel all the urge to burp a lot, and it's, well, I've done a little burp earlier and it come out as fire. Well, right now I feel really urge to burp a lot now, but luckily it's raining, because once I burp, all the rain will put the fire out anyway. Any fires I cause with the burps, the rain will put them out. Right, I'm going to get started now because they're all going to come out. Oh, here we go. more burp left in me. Well, that's better. I think I used all my burps up. Oh, wasn't that tail destruction? Oh god. Oh, just coming up to near the road. Well, I managed to find some shelter. Still pouring pissing down the rain. Horrible. Yeah, these trees will just about cover me. Well, I've got all that burping out my system. Lucky it was raining, so that means it put all the fire out. So lucky it would have been, the whole place would have been covered with fire. So that was lucky, that was. Ooh. I eating them massive hot curries again, I'll tell you. Ooh. Does my stomach in there. So, thanks for watching today this week. And I'll be back next time next week.